Let's see how to solve this question. The question is, three persons working together can complete work in 90 days. Then find in how much days Rohan and Shyam can complete the 44.44% of the work. This says that the Ram is 20% more than Shyam. That is, if the efficiency of Shyam is 100, then the Ram's efficiency is 120. That is 5:6. So Shyam's efficiency is 5, then Ram's efficiency is 6. And the efficiency of Rohan is 16.66% less than Ram. That is 1 by 6. So if the Ram's efficiency is 6, then Rohan's efficiency is 5. So 5, then Ram's 6. So the efficiencies are 6, 5, 5. Then the total work is the total days into total efficiency. That is 19 into 10 plus 6, 16. Then how many days Rohan and Shyam can complete 44.44%? Rohan and Shyam's efficiency is 5 plus 5, 10 into 44.44% of the work. Not total work, only 44.44% of the work. That is 4 by 9. 0, 0 cancel, 9, 9 cancel. Then 16 into 4 equal to 64 days. Hope it will helpful.